Good morning, students. Today, another chapter, quadratic equation. Write the heading, quadratic equation. Write down the definition. An equation of the form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, comma, a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, comma, a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. What is the meaning quadra? That means a second degree equation. Here the degree of that polynomial is 2, and how can we say that this is an equation that one side equal to the other side, that means equal to 0, therefore it is an equation. Quadratic equation in one variable is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Understand? Write one example. X square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. What is the reason? Look at the board. Here the degree of this quadratic equation is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Now, x plus 2 into x square plus 3. Is it a quadratic equation? First you multiply x into x square. What is x into x square? That is x cube. That is not a quadratic equation. That is a cubic equation. Therefore, to check quadratic means when you multiply, if the degree is 2, it is known as a quadratic equation. This 3x plus 12 equal to 0. This equation is known as a linear equation. What's the meaning linear? That's a first degree equation. Linear equation or a first degree equation. Understand? Now, in this chapter, and another thing is, listen. What's the meaning quadratic? Quadratic means 2. That means when you solve that equation, you will get 2 zeros, is a DROS, zeros or roots or values. Understand? When you solve one quadratic equation, how many roots are there or how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Understand? Now, look here. We can take the first equation. X square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. By prime factorization method, we can find the roots. By, what's the first step? By prime factorization method. That means, that factorization chapter we already learned in standard 9. That means how to factorize a trinomial. Revise that portion. Trinomial, how to factorize. Anyway, I will explain. Product 6 and sum 5. Product is 6 and sum 5. Can you find two numbers? When you multiply, you will get 6, and when you add the same numbers, you will get 5. Say the answer. The product is 6 and sum is 5. 2 and 3. When you multiply, look here, 2 and 3. When you multiply 2 into 3, you will get 6, and 2 plus 3, you will get 5. Therefore, the combination is 2 and 3. Okay. Now, splitting the middle term. Actually, the step is splitting the middle term. How can you split this? X square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, that is when you take x from the first two, x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Now which is the common factor? If there is any common factor in the terms, then you can take that common factor outside. That is x plus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Agree? In maths, look here. AB equal to 0. In maths, if the product of two numbers equal to 0 means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Understand? When you multiply two numbers, if the answer is 0, the meaning is either this A equal to 0 or this B equal to 0. That means here x plus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 2. Understand? Then what about the next B means x plus 3 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 3. Therefore, the roots are or the zeros are minus 2 and these are the values. By prime factorization, we can find the answer. Then I will give you one more example. Write the next question. By prime factorization method, solve this equation. Right, x square minus 10x minus 24 equal to 0. Product minus 24, agree, and sum minus 10. Say the numbers. Product minus 24, but the sum is minus 10. We know that minus 6 and minus 4 gives plus 24. Therefore, we cannot select that numbers. Then, minus 10, the sum. Is it minus 12 and 2? What's your opinion? Minus 12 and 2. What's the product of minus 2 and minus 12 and 2? Say the answer. The product is minus 24 and the sum is minus 12 plus 2. Therefore, look here. If the coefficient of x square is 1, then you can directly write the answer as x minus 12 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Condition is very important. If the coefficient of x square is 1, then you can directly write like this. First you select the numbers, no need of splitting the middle term. Okay, then what is the first answer? X equal to 12 and the second answer x equal to minus 2. Okay, in this class, I am going to explain the portion. Understand? By prime factorization method or using the formula like that. In the next class, I will do more problems relating this section from your textbook. Now listen. Next type question, listen. Is x equal to 5? Is x equal to 5? Is a solution of the quadratic equation. Is a solution of the quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. What's the question? Is x equal to 5 is a solution. That means when you put x equal to 5 in the quadratic equation, you will get the answer 0. We can try that. Put x equal to 5 in this equation. 5 square minus 2 into 5 minus 15. What is 5 square? 25 minus 10 minus 15. Agree? 25 minus 10, 15. 15 minus 15. The answer is 0. Therefore, what is the final answer? Yes, x equal to 5 is a solution set of this quadratic equation. Therefore, in this chapter, what's the first type of question? By prime factorization method, solve the questions. Okay. The next type, next exercise is one number is given, is a solution of the given quadratic equation. Means in the place of x, you have to substitute the value of that given x. If the answer equal to 0, then we can say that that is a solution set. Then third one is, right, third. Solve the quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation using the formula. That is very important. Using the formula, solve the quadratic equation. Now listen. We know that ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. I already told you that how many roots are there? 2 roots or 2 values are there. Therefore, the first method is by prime factorization method. You can write the answer. But here the step is apply the formula. Now listen. The value for this x equal to minus b. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole by. The whole by means this line is up to this, below this minus. The whole by 2a. I will repeat. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole by 2a. Minus b plus or minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole by 2a. And we can write one problem. Look here. This b square minus 4ac, right? This b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant, right? The b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Okay. I will explain the nature of roots later. Now listen how to apply this formula in the question. Question is solve 5x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Write the question. Solve 5x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Yes, students, all of you look here. What is A? A is equal to 5. Okay. What is B? B is equal to minus 2. Compare with the general equation. And C is equal to minus 3. Right? C is equal to minus 3. Now copy the formula. In all the questions, copy the formula. Very important. After copying the formula, you can substitute. Okay. Minus b. Minus b means b is minus 2. Therefore, minus b means minus 2. Plus or minus root of b square. What is minus 2 square? 4. Minus 4 into a into c. 4 into a means 5 into minus 3. The whole by 2 into 5. Okay. Now look here. X equal to. Now look in this side. X is equal to minus 2 means 2 plus or minus root of b square means 4 plus 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3. What is 20 into 3? Yes, 60. the whole by 5 into 2, 10. Two values are there. That means, right, 2 plus 60 plus 4. What is 60 plus 4? 64. What is root of 64? 8. 2 plus 8 by 10, one value. 2 plus 8 by 10, one value. Second value, 2 minus 10 by 2 plus 8 by 10, one value. 2 minus 8 by 10, the second value, right? What is 8 plus 2? 10. 10 by 10, 1. Okay. Then this is 2 minus 8, minus 6. Minus 6 by 10 means when you change the decimals, you will get 0.6 minus. Right. The two values, 1 and minus 0.6. Right. The next question. Solve 3x square plus 5x minus 9 equal to 0. Right. First you write what is A, 3, what is B, 5, and what is C, minus 9. Okay. Then copy the formula. What's the formula? X equal to, say loudly, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole by 2a. That is minus b means minus 5 plus or minus root of b square, 5 square, 25 minus 4 into 3 into minus 9 means this changes to plus the whole by 2 into 3. Minus 5 plus or minus root of 25 plus, what's the answer? 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 9, 108, isn't it? 108. 108, the whole by 6. That is minus 5 plus or minus root of 8 plus 5, 3. 2 plus 1, 3, 133, the whole by 6. All of you look here, if the root value is below 10, not below 100, then you can find the answer from your textbook itself. Understand? The last columns, there is one column, square root of numbers between 10 and 100, or I think 1 and 100. Therefore, you can turn that. But here the answer is root 133, that is a number greater than 100. Therefore, long division method, you can find the answer. When you use that long division method, you will get root of 133 is 11.533 minus 5 plus or minus 11.533 the whole by 6. Right. Minus 5 plus or minus 11.533 the whole by 6. When you add, then now separation. Minus 5 plus 11.533 by 6, comma, minus 5 minus 11.533 by 6. After adding and division, you will get the answer 1.089, 1.089, comma, minus, right, minus 2.756, minus 2.756. Do this calculation by yourself. Suppose the question is, write this answer correct to 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place. Then how can you write this answer? Here 3 decimal place. Therefore borrow 1 from this 9. Then this answer changes to 1.09. Here after 5 the number is 6. Borrow 1 from minus 2.76. minus 2.76. More problems I will do in the next class. Now listen, the next heading, next point is nature of fruits. Just write all these notes. Nature of fruits. Very important topic, nature of fruits. Here, nature of fruits means we know that when we apply the formula, one term is b square minus 4ac, isn't it? B square minus 4ac. That b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Now, right, nature of roots, the first one, if right, if b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, right, then the roots are real and unequal, right? If b square minus 4ac or the discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal or distinct. One example, x square minus 8x plus 8x minus 4 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then what is b square? 8 square minus 8 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4. Okay. That is minus 8 square 64. This minus into minus plus 4 fours are 60. What is 64 plus 16? 6 plus 4 10. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. We know that 80 is a number greater than 0. Therefore, this quadratic equation contains two distinct values or two unequal values. Understand? Second one is if b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, this is very important. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal, right? If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Example, x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then what is b square? Minus 2 square, 4. Isn't it? Minus 4 into a into c. What is 4 minus 4? 0. Therefore, the roots are, here we write the nature of roots only. Roots are real and equal. Then one more condition. Can you say what is the last condition? If b square minus 4ac, right? If b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. You can write one example. X square minus 4x plus 8 equal to 0. S square minus 4x plus 8 equal to 0. What is x square minus 4 square? B square minus b square means 16 minus 4 into 1 into 8. 16 minus 8 fours are 32, isn't it? What is 16 minus 32? The answer is minus 16. If the answer is less than 0 means the answer is negative. If the answer is negative, then we can say that the roots are imaginary. Here also one important question is there. One quadratic equation is there. Find the value of the unknown if the roots are equal or if the roots are unequal, like that. Okay? I will do the problems later. Study all this. This is the portion actually. Quadratic equation means solve the equation using the formula. Then find the value of the unknown using this nature of roots condition. Okay, study well. God bless you.